Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about is One Raw legit? So, guys, here we are going to update you with the unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. People from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. So now guys, we'll talk about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this is an online shopping store which deals with video game consoles. They offer video game consoles from different brands, so you can check their products out by visiting to their official site. So next we'll check the other details. First we'll check their payment method. So here they've given it. You can pay through Amex, Apple Pay, JCB, MasterCard, Visa, and so on. Now guys, if you want to know about the shipping policy, so this website hasn't given the shipping information out here separately in the separate page section. But if you go to the terms and conditions and scroll it down, so here you will find out that they have given the shipping information in the terms and condition. So here it has mentioned that in US and Canada, the handling and transit time takes on an average of 0 to 1 and 0 to 5 business days respectively. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe. It is a good sign of this website. Now, if you want to know about the domain information, this website was registered on 25th of November 2019 and it is going to expire on 25th of November 2022, which means this website is 2-year-old. Now guys, if you want to know about their About Us details, this website does not have any About Us separate page section, so this is also a drawback. Now, if you want to know about the contact details, they have a contact us separate page section. But guys, here as you can see, they haven't given their contact information out here. But in the main homepage, they have only given the contact number. But they haven't given their email address or their physical address anywhere else we have checked. Now guys, we'll talk about the social media presence of the site. So according to research, we have found out that this website does not have any social media presence at all. Now let's check their return and refund policy. So guys, here it has mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days. Now, if you want to know about the refund timing, they haven't given the refund time. And about the refund, well, they haven't given the exact refund timing. They've only mentioned that if you didn't receive your refund after at least 3 days, please follow these instructions. So you can check this out. Or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now talking about the Is One Raw legit, there are no customer reviews of this website anywhere. And the trust score of this website is 76% and the business trust ranking is 52.7%. And the content quality seems to be totally plagiarized. So guys, in the conclusion of the Is One Raw legit, this website appears to be a scam website. Though this website is quite old, but as you can see, it does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their full contact details, so it seems like it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.